In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type H2O in Google Docs. If you're writing a science assignment, a chemistry note, or any document that includes formulas, it's important to format them correctly. In the case of H2O, the number 2 should appear slightly below the line of text. That formatting is called subscript, and Google Docs makes it very easy to apply once you know where to find it. To get started, open your Google Doc. You can use a new blank document or an existing one where you want to add the formula. Once you're inside the document, find the word or text you want to format. If you've already typed H2O normally, that's perfectly fine. You don't need to start over. Next, click on the word or the part of the text you want to change and highlight it. For example, if you're formatting H2O properly, you would typically highlight just the number 2, since that's the part that needs to become subscript. Be careful to select only the character you want to lower, because Google Docs will apply the formatting only to whatever is highlighted. After that, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains several text styling options beyond the basic bold, italic, and underline tools. So it's a useful place to know when you're working on more specialized formatting. Once the Format menu opens, hover over Text. This will open another sub-menu with additional text effects and formatting options. You don't need to click immediately when you see text. Just move your mouse over it and wait for the next menu to appear. From there, click on Subscript. As soon as you do, the highlighted text will shift slightly downward and become smaller, which is exactly the formatting used for chemical formulas like H2O. If you selected the number 2, it will now display correctly. That's all it takes. If needed, you can repeat the same method for other formulas and expressions that use subscript formatting. This is especially helpful for chemistry, math, and technical documents where correct notation matters. A helpful tip is to always preview your formatting after applying it, just to make sure only the intended character changed. If too much text was affected, simply undo it and try again with a more precise selection. And that's how to type H2O in Google Docs.